Hey, what's going on everyone? Dagon30 here. So you bought yourself a Xeneon Edge, right? It's a great little monitor. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with it and you can download widgets, right? And that's why I'm here today is to show you how to download a widget from Elgato and to implement it and make sure it works, right? So let's get this started. All right, everyone, welcome to my basic desktop here so I can show you how to put some widgets into your Xeneon Edge. So the first thing you want to do is prep your IQ in Xeneon Edge. So get into your IQ, find your Xeneon Edge, and go to Widgets. All right, as you see here, this is my first page, and I already have it set up. This is the basic ones that it first came out with, and this is just stuff that I generally like to keep an eye on when I'm playing games or video editing, or my attempts at video editing. They have not been very good so far, and things like that. So if you want to add a widget to your list right here, which I've already added quite a few, you want to click on the plus sign to create a second page, because my last page is already full. Click on the plus sign here, and that way it gets one of the sectors ready to go, right? So from here, now that you're all ready, you want to get on your interwebs, which I already went to Elgato.com, which that should be your next step, is get on Elgato. Once you're at the website, if you don't have a login created, it's going to make you create one. And if you already have one, it's going to go ahead and make you sign in. Otherwise, it won't let you download. So go to Marketplace, and then Explore Marketplace. And then here on the left-hand side, you will find IQ. And then once you click on IQ, you're going to go to Widgets. And these are all the widgets that Elgato has to offer right here. And so let me find one that we can put in. Let's say, I don't know. What's a good one? What's a good one? Formula One next race. Go to Get and download. Once it downloads up here, click on this and you're going to put on Notepad. So here's the program. Now don't get too intimidated. This ain't bad. You want to go to File, go to Save As. I like to put mine in downloads, but you can pin it to desktop if you want, and hit save. So that's all done. Exit out that, scroll down, and you're gonna go back to IQ. And right here in IQ, you're gonna click on this plus sign right here where your widgets list is at. So it's gonna come up with the import widget window, and you wanna go ahead and just click on this and go find where you put your widget. In my case, I'll put it in downloads. Formula One next race, hit open. Now, some of these widgets don't work right off the bat because you still have to do some more setting up, but this is just how to add the widget into your list and use it. So once it's in here, you go to import. And there it is. There's the widget. So once you're here, you can get on your Xeneon Edge and start clicking around. And it says here that Monaco GP Circuit de Monaco is 12 days, 10 hours, and 21 minutes away. And that's it, guys. That's real easy on how do you add a widget. I imagine that you can actually make widgets and put them on here yourself, and I guess you can get them from other websites, but this just as a disclaimer, maybe a tinfoil hat theory is I would only trust widgets from trusted sources like Elgato and Corsair, because anybody that can make these widgets can put what they want into the programming and therefore maybe have access into your PC and stuff like that. So just be careful on where you get your stuff. But that's it, guys. I hope you like what you saw. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to build a community here where we can show each other how to do cool stuff on PCs and just, share each other's love for PC building and programming. So, but that's it, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good day. Bye.